more effective and less stressed. When teachers ask me, as they do all around Australia, why I advocate so strongly for restorative practices, that's what I tell them, because that's what restorative practices has done for me. More effective in that I know that I'm able to build relationships that are strong, and I know that I'm able to build them the way that I want to. Number two, it makes me less stressed. It means that every night I go home knowing that there's a narrow gap between my practice and my purpose. My name's Adam Voigt. I've been a teacher and I've been a school leader around Australia for more than 25 years now. And what I've learned is that this particular way of working restoratively is a transformational opportunity for you as an educator. We're running some workshops in Melbourne, in Sydney and in Brisbane across May and June, and somewhere around this video you'll be finding a registration link. I'd love you to click on it, because I think that if you come along to these workshops, you're going to start to get those benefits as well, more effective and less stressed in your work. It starts with one day. It'll be enjoyable, it'll be challenging, but it'll definitely be transformational, and it may just be the start of a new restorative future for you, your classroom, your students and your school.